if you want to protect yourself, get a double barrel shotgun, have the shells, a 12-gauge shotgun, and I promise you, as I told my wife, we live in an area that's wooded and somewhat secluded. I said, Jill, if there's ever a problem, just walk out on the balcony here or walk out, put that double barrel shotgun and fire 2 blasts outside the house. I promise you, who's ever coming in is not going to, you don't need an AR-15. It's harder to aim, it's harder to use, and in fact, you don't need 30 rounds to protect yourself. Buy a shotgun.
Can I get this?
Turret out.
Nope.
You know what to do. Launching smoke.
Yo, guys.
Launching smoke. Dim beacon here. On the money.
Gun here. One enemy remaining. Flawless. Reloading.
Nice.